My name is Abe Woldeslassie. I'm the new head men's basketball coach at Macalester College. Prior to Macalester, I was at the Division I level the past 6 years, so I served as an assistant at Siena College in New York for 2 years, and then I was at Davidson College in North Carolina for 3, Dartmouth College in New Hampshire for 1, and then I was at Bowdoin College, a Division III school in Maine for 2 years. So before you become a leader, you need to know how to serve. So being an assistant in Las Vegas for 2 years at a prep school, and then being at Bowdoin College, Division III assistant for 2 years, and then serving the last 6 years as a director of ops and assistant at Davidson and Dartmouth has prepared me for this role as head coach. So just so excited for it, and to be able to learn from other coaches that I've worked for in terms of the recruiting, the coaching, all of the on-court and off-court experiences has prepared me for this role at Macalester. I graduated from Macalester in 2008, and my 10-year reunion was actually a few weeks ago, so I was able to connect with a lot of former friends and teammates, and to serve as head coach means so much to me. I had an amazing experience here and was able to make all conference 2 years in a row, and again, just really close with the teammates and the guys I got to know. To be able to come back means a great deal. I understand what it takes to be both a student and an athlete here. So the academic demands are strong, and as well as the athletics. So being able to recruit students that understand both and that want to be a really great student but a really good athlete is really important to us. We play an amazing league, the MIAC, which year in, year out has teams competing in the NCAA tournament, and we have everything we need to do at Macalester. So being able to recruit kids that want to be really good students and terrific athletes is of paramount importance to us. If you were to watch one of our teams, you'll see a team that's very selfless. So we really pride ourselves on being great passers. I think that's a really fun way to play. We're going to play extremely hard. We're going to talk a lot on defense, and it's just going to be a really fun team to watch. I think basketball is an amazing game, and you'll see our teams and you'll watch and say, wow, that team's having a lot of fun. So we want students of the highest character. We want students with a strong work ethic and those that really love the game. So we want guys that are awesome in practice, that are really bringing 100% every day, cheering for their teammates on the court, whether they're having a great day or a tough day. We would just want them to fight together, and that's really important for us. Yeah, I've always viewed Macalester as a sleeping giant. I believe that we have passionate students, we have tremendous faculty and staff, we have one of the best athletic facilities in Division III, we're in a great metropolitan area, and so I feel that we can compete for MIAC championships, NCAA tournament bids, and I'm just so excited for that opportunity. So grateful for the opportunity to be back at Macalester. This place means so much to me, and so excited to serve this community as head coach.